জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়
You, you, you please save their lives, please, 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 Lord, please. Mom will look after Dad just like we do.
I don't know all that, sir. I'm not as beautiful as Miss Jasmine. I can't speak properly and don't know foreign etiquette. So what? Let the elder daughter-in-law of the family be a bit different?
You know, someday I may develop feelings for you. But until then,
I will wait for you, sir.
Nayan, you promised me, right? That you would wait for me. Then why are you breaking your promise? Don't break your promise, Nayan, please. Don't break the promise you made to me, please.
There is nothing else to do, nurse. I couldn't do it. I have to say sorry to you.
What good will it do if you take Nayan away? Mom, you gave her the responsibility to protect me, right? You asked her to save me, then why do you want to take her away? Don't you have any responsibility towards her? What wrong did she do that she has to sacrifice her life for our family? Tell me, Lord, please stop, Mom. Please, you please stop my mother. Mom, can you hear me or not? Tell me.
What happened, Mother? Why did you let go of my hand, Mother? Won't you take me away?
No, Nayan. I can't take you away. I made a terrible mistake. How can I take you away, Nayan? Didn't I give you the responsibility to save my Deepu? If you aren't there, who will protect Deepu? I am very selfish, Nayan. Deepu won't survive if you don't protect him. Didn't you listen? Didn't you listen to what your father-in-law told you?
She's not a mother. She's not a mother. She's an enemy. An enemy.
Mother Sanjukta. Mother Sanjukta is Sir's enemy. I have to save him from her. I have to save him.
Save Deepu, Nayan. Keep my son protected. Let me go.
Mother, Mother, where are you going? Where are you going? You're leaving me, but you're not taking father either, are you? Tell me you won't take father away.
No, Nayan. I'm not taking away anyone. You are the reason your father-in-law came back from the dead. But remember, Nayan, his remaining years will be borrowed from your lifetime. From now on, whoever you bring back from the dead will borrow years from your life. Your lifetime is getting shorter. Your lifetime is getting shorter. Your lifetime is getting shorter, Nayan.
Mother, Mother, Mother.
the lamp's flame. The lamp's flame has revived. Does that mean Mom has listened to me? Does that mean Nayan? 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 Aunt, isn't the operation over
I
yet?
can't understand. The light has not off yet.
Okay. All right. Where's the rest of the family?
I have sent Mom home with Rangana.
Oh, you did the right thing. Grandma is so anxious. But where is Mom?
Your mother left.
Okay. Dad is fighting death and Mom went home.
I just can't believe this. I mean, I can't believe my eyes. In these years of my career as a doctor, I never saw such a case. What a miracle. Pulse rate, heart rate, everything is normal. How strange. Hey, do you know, I was thinking of shifting you to the ventilator just a while back looking at your condition. Now your heart rate and pulse rate got normal within a second. What a miracle. Now this case needs to be studied. I can't believe it. Astonishing, amazing. I never saw any patient come back to life from so close to death. Never.
No, Nayan. I'm not taking away anyone. You are the reason your father-in-law came back from the dead. From now on, whoever you bring back from the dead will borrow years from your life. Your life is getting shorter, Nayan. Your life is getting shorter. Your life is getting shorter.
I'm not scared anymore, Mother. I saw death from so close that I'm not scared of death anymore, Mother. Let them live. Let all of them live. If my life gets shorter to lend someone life, if a mother smiles, then let it be, Mother. I'll save everyone lending from my lifetime. But what about Father? Is he all right?
Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing?
No. No, I have to go to Father once. Let go of me.
Impossible. We can't let you go anywhere now.
Don't worry about me. I have to go to Father now. I beg you. I need to go, please.
Please. Don't go anywhere in this condition. Stay here quietly. Look, your sudden recovery is concerning me even more. I'm scared of it. I mean, I really can't figure it out. Believe me. You please stay here. You need rest. You'll be under observation. Please do not request anything anymore. Please.
Besides, how will you go over there? Your father-in-law is being operated on. Very critical operation. Your father-in-law is being operated on. Very critical operation.
I'm being anxious for no reason. Father will survive. He will live. My lifetime won't get wasted.
Aunt, the operation is over.
Deepu, don't get so impatient. We will know shortly.
Dad? Doctor, my father?
The operation is successful. Okay. We will take him to the ICU now. No, don't worry. He's out of danger. You can relax now.
Deepu, did you hear? Topabrata is all right now. There's nothing to worry.
Does this mean Nayan is not well? Didn't mom leave empty-handed? Did Nayan sacrifice her life to make dad live? Nayan? Nayan? Nayan, are you okay? I mean, that means mom listened to me. I mean, mom might have, doctor, thank you very much. Thanks a lot to all of you. Thanks a lot. Nayan, do you know what you did? Nayan, you defeated destiny. Nayan, you have won. You have won, Nayan. And my faith has won too. My faith. Nayan, I knew you could do this. And you did it. You did save Dad, Nayan. You did it.
Thank Lord you didn't lose faith, sir. Didn't I tell you that? Faith is very powerful. It's very powerful.
Excuse me. We'll take Mr. Basu away now. Let's go.
Nurse, you please take her to the cabin. I'll be right there.
Aunt, I can't explain to you how happy I am. It feels like a storm has suddenly stopped. Anyway, Aunt, I think I should call home and inform them that Dad is absolutely fine now.
She's not a mother. She's an enemy. An enemy. An enemy.
Topabrata has died? Who told you such nonsense? Tell me.
Aunt Sanjukta told me that Uncle Topabrata has left us.
I'll tell Mom to inform Grandma.
No, Deepu. Don't inform your mother.
Sir, do not inform anything to Mother Sanjukta, all right?
What happened then? Why did you stop him from informing Sanjukta?
No, I mean... But... Why did you stop him, Aunt Durba?
Man, answer my question without counter-questioning, please.
No, wait 1 minute. Hold on. I suggest you do your questionnaires later. First, tell me why both of you stopped me from making the call at the same time. Dad got well, so shouldn't I inform that to Mom? Why shouldn't I?
No, sir. Don't inform her. I am asking you not to, and Durba is also forbidding you.
Yeah, that's really weird to me. I want to know why you are stopping me. If you don't tell me the reason, how will I?
No, don't do that, sir. I am telling you, don't you have...
Hey, what's happening? Why are you tempting the patient to talk so much? Look, any kind of excitement is not good for her. Besides, she cannot be seated in a wheelchair for so long. I'm taking her to ward. If you want, you can talk to her there.
Sir, listen to me. Please do not inform anything at home. Don't inform them that father got well. Try and listen to me, sir. Please listen to me. Sir, don't inform home. Sir. Hey, is this father's ward? Why did you bring me here? I won't stay here.
Calm down, okay? Your father-in-law is being shifted to ICU. He won't be in this room for now.
What? Which room?
That's a different room, okay? His operation was severely critical. So the rest of his treatment will get done in that room.
Okay.
Plus all the other cabins are full. That's why sir said that you will be in this room for now.
Oh, all right. Tell me when father gets well. I'll vacate the room, okay?
You care so much for others, don't you?
What to do, nurse? All of them are my people.
Anyway, may I ask you something?
Please ask.
Actually, till now I have seen people inform their families as soon as the operation gets successful, and they all are happy about it. But why did you ask not to inform your family about Topabrato being better?
That's right. Why did I say no? My heart said that father is well now, but it shouldn't be informed right now. But why did I feel so?
No, Deepu. Don't inform your mother.
Why did Aunt Durba also say Tripto not to inform mother?
Sleep, Tapabrata Basu. Get on the pyre and sleep peacefully for eternity. You know what? You're very lucky. I will bring your beloved Deepu down on the streets and finish him bit by bit. You didn't have to witness that.
What did Mother Sanjukta say? What kind of evil thought is this?
Hey, what are you thinking about so deeply? I'm going to give you an injection, okay? What happened?
Please, can you call my family members? Please.
Yes, I'll call them. Before that, the injection.
No, that can be done later. Please call my family. Call them right now. I need to meet them urgently. Please call them. Please go. Otherwise, I won't let you give me the injection.
Please calm down. I'll call them right away, okay?